Hi, my people. I don't still come again. I don't still carry Tori come because I don't talk and say anything I see. I must talk. I must say it. Okay, my people. May we go sit down. May we settle down. May we for talk the Tori. Hello, my people. As I'm speaking to you guys right now, Twitter is on fire. Twitter don't catch fire. Twitter don't disgwan. Twitter don't they cry. Why I can't bear Twitter live? Why? Governor Wike don't shock everybody. He don't shock them. He shocklize them. He can't do welcome home party for Burna Boy for a Grammy award. Okay now. For the party now, you can't shock Burna Boy with TM and the land and the including the artists when they the party, you can't still give them TM and the land. Okay now, in work in service workers now when they hole, all of them come cry come out to say not be this governor na dey hole. This governor wey not pay workers, this governor na dey donate this money, where this money for come na im own pocket abi na state money. We can't say how we go take settle this issue. They come dey talk say not be this governor, you know they use it here take hear say something dey happen, you go reach there within 5 minutes. Now governor when get make heart, governor when something go touch you go reach there. But in all state, if something happen, they go they call and come for our rescue, come for our rescue. You go be like say, you know, yeah. They come they talk say no. Why this man go give all those people that kind of money? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Say they no take am again. And this money when you give, not be say Governor Wike as they give say na bad thing o, na good thing to give. And understand me so, na good thing to give. Others still they do this kind thing, give away, they still they give. I don't know, they not they tackle them like this. I don't know why Governor Wike own come different now. They can't tackle am like this. They can't hold am for waste. Not be small thing, my people, as I speak it to you. They really hold this man. Okay now, for inside now, Tasha can't cry, come out. Whether na simply Tasha, simply Tasha, I can't come out. Whether na big Naija.com, I don't know. Delay when they bear for them. I don't know before whether na former, whether na now, I don't know. Because I know they watch them, I know they follow them. He can cry, come out. Whether na sin about him to give people money, to give Burna Boy money. Say Burna Boy, say he deserve it. He deserve it. Whether the nominee of Grammy, whether he is to win Grammy. Say he not easy. Say they're supposed to take public holiday to celebrate Burna Boy for this Grammy so where he win. Say people when they talk say Wike give Burna Boy money, say they not get head, say that they mad. Not be small thing no. When Tasha talk, he talk. And I know say where money where they for they call M. Now there they put nyash, they put where they put body on. I understand. Now there it can't they talk or not be talk. My people, I said this matter now. Man can't give honor. But this thing you get as a bishop, but some they win scholarship, they win so this, they win so that they not they congratulate them. Why people when get followers many now that they congratulate late. Why? And my advice to artists, all those celebrities, I know say some be our major problem. And I understand me so. If you reach during election now, they will come tell them, men I vote for this one, men I vote for this one. Men are not agree. I know say this time now, say I don't open well. We not go mumu that kind mumu. When we mumu before they put. Now this one they go, now this one they go. Our papas they go they talk say now this one they go. That life, that kind of life when our papa live. We no live that kind life. They just they use body till they find them so that if election reach, they will come use them. My people, maybe na the way na make am. And I understand what they talk so. That they use them, they share and they give them. And now those people now they're supposed to guide us, still they back us. As far as say our leaders, they deny us. They deny us. Now them supposed to they back us. And I understand so. This light when we they cry. Them they no fit create lights. Put for Nigeria. Them. I know say them many, not be only one. Them many. They no fit create light. Do many things for their followers. No. Our mumu don't do. Okay? My live on for you guys. Okay, I thank you guys. I thank you for watching. I so much appreciate you. I bet me I share this video.
Alright, so I'm not exactly a fan of Governor Wike because he hasn't done much for the people of the state. Well, you are mad. Like, you are legit mad to think what Governor Wike did yesterday for Burna Boy was unnecessary or wasn't priority. Like, you are legit crazy. Y'all don't know my state. Like, you guys don't freaking know my city. Entertainment in my city is dead. Like, literally. Nightlife is gone and dead. Canny Reef blown out of the window. So for him to like, okay, Burna Boy, calm down, let me give you a land, let me give you 10 million. And you people are thinking that's too much. You are crazy, like you are losing it. Burna Boy should have a whole town named after him. He won a Grammy, yo, not some like interstate local awards. He won a whole Grammy. That's what Burna Boy won. He should even have like public holidays dedicated to him. So you're just here crying and whining and say, oh yeah, that's not priority. Why would Wike want to see him? You are mad. You are mad. Because he has won something that, let me not even try to shade your face. Like, let's just move.